WaseZimbabwe ukahle kwazwela kuyingoba makhosi ke lapha ke umntwana uNtombela ke lapha ke embiza ngesiqhaza. Angifisi ukuthi uzwe ngami ke kodwa ke ngifisa ukuzwisa inkulumo kaNtombela ayishilo eyenze lensizwa yaseZimbabwe yasina yazibethela. Na inkulumo kaNtombela izobe silandela nenkulumo yayo lensizwa yaseZimbabwe.
Besizomangala la kwi-embassy yamaSomali.
Ingoba makhosi le yilona zwi elishilo yabe siyiqhathe nalensizwa yaseZimbabwe na inkulumo yalensizwa yaseZimbabwe.
Nkosi yami mara Jehova maZulu mara KwaZulu Natal kwenzakalani bafethu? What's going on KwaZulu Natal? Mara why loko ni business leyisa ngabantu mara maZulu mara Nkosi yami Jehova? Why do you guys keep on trying to make everyone laugh at us? Why do you keep on doing this? Bathe hamba lesikolweni nathi nina nifuna ukumasha bheka manje uyomangale embaddasi amaSomali yini embaddasi mara yini embaddasi guys angeke bafethu never yazi nihlekisa ngabantu. Everyone is just laughing at us, my Nigeria, my Somalia, my Zimbabwe, my Bunu, like everyone, they're just looking at us thinking South Africans are stupid. That's why I was telling you. It's because of people like this. And when I hear, but somewhere, KZN is a king. He's a king, this guy. If it was my king, I would never allow such a person to lead me as a king. Umuntu ukuthi akwazi nokuthi embassy, ukuthi embaddasi, nokuthi Somalia. If he can just mess up that two simple words, imagine that most of the things that he messes up like the office. KZN, go to school. Go to school. Yes, when you tell KZN, it was the highest in academics in it was the Indian people. Now I see which it was the Indian people who are making sure that province is respected academically wise. Because the Zulus are wonke nabantu ukuthi nje webhizi ngimatch ngathi azithi mzala mina sengiyabona ukuthi lento le guys, please go to school. And if you know ukuthi awukwazi ukukhuluma, hlukana necamera, hlukana namakhamera. Stay away from the cameras because you don't know how to speak English. Why you busy lapha nibhizi namakhamera nihlekisa ngabantu?